Hi everyone, this is Suzanne with Inspire by Hand and Heart. My website is inspirebyhandandheart.com, and I will be participating in the one-of-a-kind scrap-along, or I should say craft-along, on August 14th. And what I'll be offering in that particular kit are these 3 cards here, in addition to a 12 by 12 Halloween layout. So just go through these cards real quick with you. We've got this card here, and everything comes cut out and ready for you to assemble. You do need to color in the pumpkin yourself. And then I've got this really great card. This is all inspired by Tim Holtz's Halloween line. This is a stencil, this is a stamp, and then I've embellished it with sequins, some glitter glue as well, or Ranger, and some twine. It's a kind of an artsy card. I like that one. And then this card here comes from the Graphic 45 Midnight Tales collection, and that has inspired this card as well as this card, and I'm going to show you that in just a second. And then it has a nice little message on the inside, trick or treat. Okay, so just so you know, this is how you'll receive your stamped image, so that you can color it any way you'd like, or not. It's beautiful, I think, by itself. All right. This fabulous paper is the new Graphic 45 Midnight Tales. And there is just so much to do, so much activity, and just it's spooky, but then it's magical at the same time. So I'm really looking forward to creating a 12 by 12 for you. Don't forget, take a look at my website, and I'm going to have a couple of items on sale, some of the older kits. So please take a look, inspirebyhandandheart.com, and I look forward to working on this with you. Thanks. Bye, everybody.